Welcome back to Performance Mechanic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do small technical explanation about OBD breakout box, can breakout box or OBD breakout box, whatever we can call. Actually, this one is a small device. We can plug in OBD port. We can see the network, how the sending the message and everything. Let's go to the video and I will show you what is the breakout box, how it's work. This is the device OBD breakout box. You can see here the OBD male port and female port the vehicle have, and we can plug it. And here there is one more OBD adapter. This one here you can connect the scan tool. Same time you can see the network reading also. Here there is 16 pin, and each pin they mention the description. They given the description each pin, and battery positive, the 16th pin, everything. So if you use this tool, you can diagnose very easy the OBD and CAN network, and CAN low, CAN high, everything you can diagnose very easy. You can plug here Pico scope, oscilloscope, whatever, and you can diagnose very quickly. And you can check the resistance also, the CAN network resistance and everything. Here they mention everything, the network name, everything, CAN high, CAN low, everything they give on the description. Once you connect the breakout box to vehicle, and this light will illuminate like this way. The CAN high, CAN low, what network is available on the vehicle, and this light will blink like this way. This meaning the network is working, and same time you can plug a picoscope, and you can read the signal also. If you like this information, please subscribe my channel and like video. Thank you very much.